Tap me up right now.
You lot saying? Enjoy the store. Nice to meet you.
Yo, can I hop in? Oh, why is it loud? Fuck! Shit! Yo! Where's the exhaust? I knew I would bump into one of you man eventually. So what's the numbers like?
Right now it's maybe 410. 410, 420. I just wasted.
Alright, what? What's that? Oh, Cooper.
Is it a 235 or is it?
It's nah, this is a 220i, bro. Bro, I seen someone jumping, like standing in a truck. I was like, I can't, like, we gotta hop out. We got a camera, bro.
I just finished washing my car, and then I was like, yo, you need to film my car. My car's not here right now. Me and him, we raced first. He smacked my shit.
What's
and
that?
then, huh? I got a CL5. I got a CL5. I don't even know what that is.
Where is it? Shout it.
Huh?
Yeah, shout it.
Shit's not even loaded.
Bro, imagine this. We just see random people got flipping F-150 with a remote start and a flipping Cooper. What? What's the Cooper pushing?
340.
I don't like the look of them ones.
They're a bit like hit and miss. It's Marmite.
It looks like a snake. Don't go too quick, please. I have 170 brake, bro.
The car's quick in, but the car can't take a turn to save its life.
It can't take all this stuff, so you'll be alright.
Bro, we just caught some random guys, and now we're moving with them. This is gonna be fucking live, bro.
Alright, rev it, yo, rev it. Yo.
Fuck.
Look, even he got heads turning. We got MBA. Alright, okay, shot at DB. Oh, you man, feds are right there in the V. Why has he turned off the edge? He's made it get quiet now, the feds are him. Yeah, look. The triple layer barrier, bro. He did the assignment as well. Yeah.
Yo. New whip.
This guy's 2+, isn't it?
Well, how much you got this?
This is 250. Roughly.
Crazy, man. Fuck! Ooh. Is this what we're working with?
Yeah, this
Turn
is
on the specs.
Shit, man, there ain't nothing much to say, man. 5 litre V8. He's got more power.
He's got more. I don't care, it's a V8. Let me hear it.
Oh, give us a little side.
You know what? Yo, tap me up right now.
You got that dice in the fucking window as well. Oh shit. Oh, what, you got air right? It's an air. It's on bags. What?
Bro, that nigga's got hydraulics, man.
Man said hydraulics. Oh, he's landing.
That was alright still, that was alright.
I said alright.
Yo!
This shit looks like Fast and Furious, the way man are weaving, fam. Gee, I can't keep up. Yo! This is in nuts! In Nottingham, bro. There's no fucking way. I didn't know the city had it like this, bro. Hey, Joe, what we saying?
Yo, this car, no,
Bro, I'm jealous of you.
we're in the slowest car here.
That's a catch. Downshifts. Woo! Downshifts.
This car's got better acceleration, but I really miss it.
All I'm saying is we take it just, you know, not the one towards Clifton. The other one, straight.
Nah, my car's over here.
Just one straight. One last straight. One last straight.
I heard you look up.
Bro, I was hoping the guy would like throw some indicators or something. Like, bro, I just stamp on it, man. I was gonna look up, bro. I was like, what the fuck? Bro,
I just see your car squat forwards here to look up, bro.
I was so scared.
Yo, all you man who hop in your fucking 1.4 litre Golfs and say that you can drive, you can't, bro. You can't. That's a driver right there, fam. Nah, this is a serious car, fam.
340, 450 newton meters.
Yeah, I was gonna say I can feel the top, bro. My head was hitting the headrest on the gear shift.